What's going on, beautiful people? It's your boy Lando Success. So I did a video yesterday talking about the death of meme coins. With the market crash and everything going down, last thing people was worried about is keeping their money in a meme coin that don't mean too much. And I also was thinking about NFTs. I'm like, man, just being realistic, if you spent $1 million, you spend all of this money on an NFT, a digital photo. If you have a 401k to have 500,000 in it, and you woke up one day and you're seeing 150,000 in it, you start questioning all of your investments and you start double checking, seeing where your money at, and you realize probably that NFT probably wasn't worth it for that picture. So actually, this morning, not too long ago, I received a notification saying somebody who bought a CryptoPunk for over $1 million just recently sold it for like $139,000. So think of that, 6 months ago, they just purchased this NFT for $1 million and they took a 90% loss, just about. That is called a clue, a sign. It got even worse. Reports said the last 8 out of 10 sales, people sold for a loss. So now that brings up the question, are we witnessing the death of NFTs? In my opinion, only the strong is going to survive. The NFTs that actually make it out of this, the projects a year from now, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, that's still here, oh my gosh, they're going to have a story to tell. So first, let's talk about that. Investing is fun long as you're making money. When everybody making money, oh my gosh, it's fun. You throw money over here, it's green. A lot of these projects go to the moon because everything is peachy keen, not really any bad problems. Once the market crash, you get to see the real. Like I said with meme coins, 98% of them won't be here tomorrow. I will probably say 78% of all of these NFT projects won't be here. But for the ones that will be here, that actually bring up an opportunity. And in my opinion, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a brother giving y'all some game. If you have something like CryptoPunks is not going anywhere. It's not the first time CryptoPunks end up selling high, then people end up selling low. Right now, in my opinion, I will be buying a CryptoPunk. If I can find one under $100,000, oh, that will be a great win. Because say if it take 5 years to be able to sell it for $1 million again, that's $90,000 in 5 years. So you're basically averaging over $200,000 a year. It's actually worth the wait. Now I know the person that actually bought it for $1 million, it's tough to hold. Actually, it would be hard. If I had $1 million to buy a picture of something, I'm not about to sell it for $100,000. That means you made bad investment decisions and you borrowed some money to do it because you shouldn't need that $100,000. But I think with some crypto projects, there's going to be a lot of opportunity, and some it's just going to get exposed. So my question to you, I want to hear in the comments, do you think this is the end of NFTs? How dominant will they be in the future? When the market is crashing, last thing people was thinking about a picture that they can change their profile to. People are thinking about their mortgages, their homes, their 401k, more serious issues. If you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'm Lando Success. Talk to you guys soon.